It's been a sunny start to the work week for the majority of the country, other than some cloud and moisture still lingering over the far northeastern part of South Africa, resulting in a mostly cloudy Monday, with that cloud also keeping the daytime highs at bay. Now, we're still expecting some of that moisture over the northeastern part of South Africa as we head into Tuesday, with the possibility of morning rain for the Mpumalanga Lowveld, with a sunny forecast persisting over the central interior, but with partly cloudy weather in the northeast as well as throughout the Western Cape, with a warm day forecast for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Overnight, we can still expect a 40% chance of rainfall over the Limpopo Lowveld, with that chance of rainfall decreasing as we head south towards Mpumalanga, but overall a dry forecast. In Cape Town, we're expecting a bit of cloud overnight with a light to moderate southerly wind and a minimum temperature of 13 degrees. Tomorrow, we can expect a mild and partly cloudy day with a southwesterly wind of between 10 and 20 kilometers per hour, with that low cloud moving in the evening ahead of a weak cold front. Here's our wind map with a southeasterly wind in the Western Cape on Monday, but with the winds turning to the northeast along the east coast as we head towards Tuesday, and you'll see how those northeasterly winds pick up in the afternoon along the coast, with a windy day forecast particularly over the western and southern interior. Overnight, we're expecting a minimum of around 5 degrees for the Free State, 11 for Johannesburg and Durban, 13 for Richards Bay, East London, Bombela and Pretoria, 6 degrees as we head towards Graaff-Reinet, 10 for George, 2 for Sutherland, and Springbok only dropping to 16 degrees overnight. In general, we can expect a warmer day on Tuesday with a maximum of 36 for Uppington, 33 degrees for Kimberley, in the upper 20s for Gauteng, mid-20s though along the coast between Richards Bay and East London, with a high of 30 for Bishu and Bloemfontein, and Polokwane expecting a high of 24. Now on Wednesday, we're expecting rain along the coast from Cape Town all the way through to East London, with a band of thundershowers extending from the northwest through the central part of the country all the way towards the east coast. And on Thursday, we can expect cooler conditions, particularly for the coastal regions, with cloudy and wet weather expected from George all the way through to Richards Bay, with that rain even pushing through to Bombela, with a hot day in the northeast with thundershowers in the forecast in the afternoon.
News that moves. eNCA.com.